Now we can easily prepare the 3D structure of a plant cell. To represent the 3D structure of the plant cell, I have taken some equipments. I have taken a glass which is very hard, thick, rigid. This can act as a cell wall. I have taken a simple plastic pouch that is simple, thin and elastic, can be represented as a plasma membrane. Then I have taken simple packet which is acting as a vacuole. It is having a presence of fluid inside it. Then I have taken some green color things that can represent a chloroplast, and I have taken a big globule that can act as a nucleus, which is very important and largest organelle of the cell. Let us prepare the 3D structure of the cell. For this I will take a simple cell wall. Inside this I will add plasma membrane. Now I have added the plasma membrane inside the cell wall. Now I will add some water in this, which will act as a cytoplasm. As all of we know that inside the plasma membrane there is a presence of the fluid which is known as the cytoplasm. Now in this cytoplasm I will add the vacuole. As in plant cell there is a presence of the large vacuole. Now I will add some chloroplast inside this. As chloroplasts are known as the kitchen of the cell, and they are green in color due to the presence of the chlorophyll. Then I am adding the nucleus inside it. So our cell has prepared. Now you can see that inside the plasma membrane there is a presence of a vacuole, chloroplast and nucleus. Now I am adding this plasma membrane inside the cell wall. Now our complete cell has formed. So this can give the elementary idea that how it actually looks in the 3D way. As all of we know that plant cells are 3D, they are not 2D structures. So this is very simple model of a plant cell.